Hi, friends. For our writing center today, we're going to write about Johnny Appleseed. So we read some stories about him, and you also watched your Brain Pop Junior video. So I want you to think about a fact that you learned about Johnny Appleseed. Now, I totally forgot. I'm so sorry to give you paper like this, so you can use any paper that you have at home. And now I want you to remember, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name. And then I'm going to write Johnny Appleseed. I have it on the slide for you to look at. Johnny Appleseed. Now I'm going to think about one fact that I can write about Johnny Appleseed. Johnny Appleseed. I'm going to write Johnny Appleseed planted. So I'm going to sound out planted. Oh, ah, d. Johnny Appleseed planted, and then I'm going to write apple. Oh. Johnny Appleseed planted apple, and then I'm going to sound out the word seed. S-E-D. Now, I'm ready to end my sentence, so I need to remember to put a period at the end. That's going to stop it. Now, friends, I want you to look. I wrote my sentence. I used finger spaces in between my words. I'm going to check it. Johnny, and then I put my finger space. Appleseed, finger space. Planted, I have my finger space. Apple, and I have my finger space. And I have seeds. Oh, and I'm looking at the word seeds. I forgot to put an S at the end. Seeds. I'm going to add my S at the end. And then I have my period. Now, I used my very, very best kindergarten handwriting and took my time. So I'm going to reread my sentence. Johnny Appleseed planted apple seeds. Period to end my sentence. Okay, friends, I want you to think of your one fact that you want to write about Johnny Appleseed. So think about some of the things that you learned about him and what was your most favorite fact, the thing that you found the most interesting. And you're going to go ahead and write that in your sentence. I will see you back soon.